Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I chose the day where I have a cheesecake still chilling and a bunch of meal prep in the refrigerator to clean it out. But we're gonna get it done. I have a bunch of stuff in here that's taking up space and I need to clean these shelves off. I clean the drawers out a lot of the time, probably 2 times out of the month because they get pretty bad, but I don't really get the chance to go through this stuff, or I don't really be feeling like going through this stuff, so I had the opportunity to do it, so I'm going to do that today and clean off the shelves and everything. But I'll go ahead and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Go ahead and like and subscribe for more content.